Hey everybody, good morning. It's about 6:30 and it's December 13th, 2024. Thought I'd take you guys along with me to the gym. So let's go. See if I can find a parking place. There we go. So, full disclosure here. This is my first time back in the gym in over a year. And I turned 60 a few months ago. I told you all that in my last video. And so I wanted to take you along, and hopefully they're going to let me film in here. I don't have any intention to film anyone else or try to impress anybody. Just want to get in there and show you some of the things that I do at my age, and trying to be kind to myself and not overdo it. The key thing is, you go in here and yeah, people might look, so what? People don't care. They're not going to care what I'm doing in there. They're not going to give me a second thought. So here we go. Yeah, no, that's the one. All right, first trip to the gym complete. All right, first time back in the gym, and I finished that workout. Tried to be kind to myself, but we'll see over the next couple of days how sore I am. So that's the fitness center. Really nice facilities they got here. There's a complete gym in there, as you saw, and there's an Olympic-sized swimming pool in the back. I'm gonna look for a little trail to take a walk. So yeah, nobody on this in this area. A couple of little ponds to walk around, grassy areas. It's really nice. Early morning, no one's here. So today happens to be my day off, and took advantage of it. I usually get up early anyway. I'm in my office at 5:30 in the morning, and it's about an hour's drive. So every other week I have a Friday off. So this is my long weekend, and I just figured I would take you guys along on a little exercise adventure. I apologize for the glasses. These are prescription, and they're polarized. They, they lighten up inside, and they can get dark whenever you go outside. So anyway, I want to show you guys some of the scenery. Really nice. So my mindset in getting back into the gym and exercising is, number one is set yourself up for success. Find a gym that you like and you're comfortable in. I can promise you, anybody in that gym is not going to care what you do. They don't give a crap. They're into doing their thing, and so you go do yours. It doesn't take much to stay toned and fit. Like I said in my first video, I used to really hit it hard in the gym, and coming to the realization that I'm 60 years old and not 25. Even though my head thinks I'm 25, I'm not 25 anymore. My body tries to remind me whenever I mistreat it. So be kind to yourself. If it's a situation where you're not comfortable there, then walk around your neighborhood. Do some other things like that. I happen to have this convenient place. It's about 2 or 3 miles from where I live, in a small town outside Baton Rouge. And it's really nice. Really thankful that we have that convenience of having this place. Secondly, you don't have to really specialize in a lot of exercises. I do. My body regulates me weight-wise to about 175 to 185, depending on my diet and that kind of thing, which a lot of times gets shot. We have vendors that bring food to the office all the time, and it's hard to refuse a lot of it. You know, desserts, a lot of dishes that are common in South Louisiana here that are really fattening but are delicious. So you got to watch it. But yeah. So I'm out here doing my walk, and I just got a message from one of my grandchildren. She's so sweet. I'm gonna let you hear it.
Liam's not awake, so we didn't take a picture with him. I love you, Pop, and I'm gonna send some more messages. Love you, bye.
She's so precious. This is a cypress tree, really common in Louisiana. They grow along and in the waterways. Lots of wildlife. So I lost the glasses. They got too dark. I didn't like the way they looked on the video. Sitting in this little seated area by the pond. And so a couple of things about getting back into exercising. First, choose a spot that you're comfortable in. If you can find a spot at a gym that you like, then great. If you want to work out at home and you have the equipment, then that's another option too. Also, choose a time of day that you can work out in and feel comfortable. The key thing here is you want to set yourself up for success and consistency. And so that's a tough thing to do with everyone being as busy as they are. So that's number one. Number two, no one is judging you. The people that you run into in the gym, they don't matter. They're not going to know you from Adam. They're not going to care what you're doing in the gym. And you know what? So what if they care? I don't care what anybody else thinks. I'm going to do what I need to do. And if they decide to judge me, then that's their problem, not mine. And that's the mindset you have to have too. I'm doing this for my fitness and my overall health. I can only profit from it. So yeah, don't worry about that kind of thing. Let the 20-somethings and everything else, you know, the people who are really in there trying to probably eventually compete in bodybuilding or fitness competitions, don't worry about any of that. Just take care of you. And number three, take it easy on yourself when you first start back. If you're going to be lifting weights or that type of thing, or walking on a treadmill or getting on some kind of machine, just moderate your exercise when you're first starting out. getting back. And I probably am not the best. I need to practice what I preach more because I've been in and out of the gym all my life. So take it easy on yourself. You don't have to use any weight at all. If you just have a bar and you're doing like some of the exercises that I did, just enough to get the range of motion back and that type of thing. So this is not fitness or medical advice. I'm doing this strictly for entertainment. I'm not a doctor. You should consult your doctor before any type of exercise routine or that type of thing to make sure you're good enough and he gives you the thumbs up. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day and tune in again next time. Thanks a lot.